Require recipients sign in a specific order in Brisk Sign. Select Request Signatures in Brisk Sign and upload your document. Add recipients in the Add Recipients section, then enable Sign in order to send the document sequentially based on the recipient list. Assign document fields to each recipient by selecting them and dragging fields onto the document. Customize the email message, logo, stamps, and notes as needed. Then click Send to Sign to start the signing process in order. Continue watching for more details on requiring recipients sign in a specific order with Brisk Sign. To begin, open Brisk Sign and select Request Signatures from the left-hand menu. Upload your document by dragging it into the upload area or by clicking Upload File and selecting it from your computer. Once uploaded, click Upload Files to continue. In the document viewer, add your recipients using the Add Recipients section on the left side. Enter the recipient's name and email address, then click Add. Repeat this step to add all recipients who need to sign the document. To ensure the document is signed in sequence, select the Sign in Order checkbox. The document will be sent to recipients in the order they appear in the Recipients List, and each recipient will receive the document only after the previous signer has completed their signature. If you need to remove a recipient, click the trash icon beside their name in the Recipients List. Next, assign signing fields. Select a recipient from the Recipients List. Then drag and drop the required document fields, such as signatures or dates, onto the document from the Add Document Fields section. Select the next recipient and repeat the process to assign fields specific to them. You can further customize the document by adding your business logo or applying pre-made stamps. Update the email subject and message in the Email Subject Text section, and include any additional instructions in the Document Notes section. When everything is ready, click Send to Sign to send the document for signing in the specified order. For more Brisk Sign tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.